Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you dreaming of working with one of the top consulting firm in the world? Here's your chance. Deloitte India is hiring for the associate analyst role in engagement support or team for Hyderabad locations. Whether you are a freshers or someone with up to 2 years of experience in backend support, this job could be your gateway into the global consulting world. So stick around till the end because I'll be sharing everything. I'll be breaking down all the details, including the required skill sets, if the details, how you can apply, and also the responsibilities and everything. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss an update from the voice onwards. And now let's dive into the details. So as you can see, the role is of associate analyst, which is in the CBS engagement support team, and the shift that I mentioned is 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So it's a 9-hour shift. Of course, it's a kind of mid shift you can call. And designation, as mentioned, associate analyst in engagement support and experience 6 months to 2 years. Freshers with internship experience are also welcome. If you are a fresher with somewhat internship experience, then you can apply for this particular role. This is a backend. Basically, this is a backend operation role where you will support Daylight's US advisory teams by handling internal requests related to engagement setup, WBS creations, and finance approvals. So what you going to do at Daylight for this particular role? So let's break down the responsibilities for you. So as I mentioned over here, so yes, so your roles and responsibilities is going to be something like working on WBS creation requests, validating engagement setup informations, coordinating with finance and internal teams, daily status reporting and documentations, along with ensuring accuracy and timelessness while managing data. So these all are going to be your kind of roles and responsibilities once you join Daylight as associate analyst. So this role gives you the real exposure to global consulting operations and is a great foundations for long-term career in corporate support or consulting services. So you can become a consultant after 3 to 4 years. So it's a great start for the career as analyst. And yeah, required skill sets for this role is okay. You can see over here, right? So they have mentioned graduate from any background. If you're a graduate from any background, BA, B.Sc, B.C.A, B.Tech, whatever, you can eligible for this role. Technical skills required is MS Excel, MS Office, all the things. You can just learn a package. Like you should have the knowledge of working on Word, Excel, Outlook. Also, you should be familiar with tools like CRM, SAP, Salesforce, or quick learning ability. Professional skills also they have mentioned, which is technical skill with like for example strong communication, both written and verbal, along with analytical good time management skill and ability to multitask in a fast-paced, deadline-driven environment. So this is all going to be your kind of required skill sets for this particular role. And if you are good with processes, system, and client interactions, this role is made for you. So why once you join Daylight, let's understand a little bit about that. So they have mentioned over here, right? So at Daylight, you are not just another employee. You are a part of a mission to make an impact that matters. You will have the access to mentors, coaches, and career growth programs, learning through the on-job training, live classrooms, and even the Daylight University India, which is a world-class leadership center. So these are going to be your benefits of joining Daylight. You'll also be a part of company that values diversity, well-being, and flexibility with perks like medical insurance, work-life balance support, mental wellness program as well. Plus hybrid work culture. Yes, you will get a hybrid work culture at Daylight. Plus industry recognition upskilling program also you're gonna get at Daylight. So this is a great first step into the world of corporate global consulting. And how you can apply, just go to the direct link we have mentioned in the description. Go to direct link and apply as soon as possible because the sooner the better. And yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity. So whether you are a recent graduate or someone looking for a stable role with global exposure, then this daylight job opportunity is a golden ticket for you people. And that's it. And if you have any question, drop your question in the comment section. I will respond to every single one. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our Further Onwards channel for more job updates, tech tutorials, and career tips. Smash that bell icon so you never miss any opportunity that we keep bringing daily. especially while bringing three important hiring on this particular YouTube channel. And if you want daily job alerts, resume tips, and mock interview preparations, you can subscribe to our channel. You can subscribe to our other channel also, which is Fast Tech, where we are coming with in-depth data analytics series with 20 plus hands-on projects. So if you want to learn data analytics for free, you can subscribe to our channel and turn the notification bell so you keep getting the notification once we upload our new tech videos on the Fast Tech channel. So this was all about that, and go apply as soon as possible. And this was I'm concluding and signing off now. Until next time, keep applying, keep growing, and as always, forward onwards. And all the best with your applications. I will see you in the next video.